Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer. Because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17, $20. Okay. So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17 $20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist. Okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it, and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2 3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3 4,000 watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic and you want to know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder, and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not, doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do this commission servants review. So right now we are on the sales page where it says our secret army of AI servants finds buyers, wins them over, and sends us the cash 100% automatically. How much money we make? This much per month each from it every single month. And then we have a video, okay? And then the sales page is not that long, and then we got some disclaimers. That's it. So I have seen this video which you see here. It's like maybe 3-4 minutes long video which did not make sense to me at all they had been saying is that, oh, this is a secret system, AI does all the job, the typical pitch. AI does the heavy lifting, this and that, and just buy my program and you'll start making money. You got to do nothing, shiny object, just pay them the money and that's, forget about it. Okay, so I believe nothing what they say, and this is going to be sold to you in, let's see how much, $17 is it? Yes, to start with, $17-18. You might get a discount coupon, and in the back end you see how do they feed on you. They want 400 from you, they want 200 from you, that is reoccurring here. They want 97 from you, and God knows what they want. Okay, so what they want is your money, obviously. You will make sure if you buy this, that's my guarantee. Whether AI comes in or whatever comes in, okay, tell me one thing. I can wind up this video right now. I don't have to, I can say it's garbage and I can walk away, but I'll give you some, pointers. Okay, so in this video, or any god motherfucker who is telling you you can make money with AI, any bastard telling you you can make money with AI, just then tell me, then why are you teaching how to make money with AI? Now, analyze what I just said. Everybody is saying make money with AI, make money with AI, and then saying I'm going to teach you, buy my course, buy my software, buy my product. So if you can make money with AI, then how the hell are you charging money for teaching, or why are you charging for a software? You can make money with AI, right? You're claiming day and night, day and night, day and night. You're saying my AI can make money for you. You got to do nothing. then go and make money with AI yourself. Why do you have to come and launch a training program in which you will people teach, oh, this is how you make money with AI? Or why do you have to create a software which does some things and then you say, oh, buy my software and make money with it? I mean, what bullshit is that? You are making money when you sell the software. You make money when you sell your course, not with fucking AI. People who, if you are watching my video, ask this to yourself. When you buy this, do you make money or do they make money? So if they make money when you buy, that is the answer. Then ask the second question, which is, if AI makes money, then why are they selling the course? Because selling the course makes money, not AI. The AI could just do the writing thing for you, that now you don't have to be an expert. Any bloody idiot can be a course creator now. Gone are the days when the knowledge was a big deal. Now any idiot can go to some AI and just copy and paste and become some guru, as in it's not a bad word. Guru is a very respectable word, but in this online marketing they have made a mess of it. Okay, guru is a very respectable thing in our culture, in ancient culture. Okay, but you guys have made a mess of it use in online marketing. So because I could end this video in the beginning, but I'm just telling you, don't let people fool you in the name of AI, man. You still have to do your basics. If I do not make this YouTube video, you don't get to see it. There's no bloody AI who can replicate my job. AI will sound robotic, okay? AI will sound robotic, monotonous. You will not be engaged with AI. You will not be listening to AI until this long. You have been listening to me so far, right? So AI is good for idiots who don't want to learn anything. And I think there are more side effects of AI than good things. Your brain will be damaged. Your brain will be, you will be what do you call, paralyzed from brain. Your kids will never learn anything manually. Everything they will just copy and paste. So technically, you get zero knowledge. AI is bad for humans. AI is bad for this world. And the time will tell. Nobody's going to listen to me, I know, but next 1,000 years you will see AI would have destroyed the humanity. AI is bullshit, and I know the future. I know how the world has to end. So you can only watch. You can only watch. You can't do nothing. So AI is gonna dominate. I know that AI is going to take down all the resources of this planet, because the data centers and everything. AI will fuck up the humanity. That's one more truth. And your generations will have to pay for the mistakes which we are making as humans. We, as in not we, not you, just those couple of dozens businessmen who want to open data centers, AI, robotics, this and that. That's all garbage. You are the enemy of the humanity. You're not progressing, developing. You're just fucking up the planet Earth. So if this system was supposed to make money, well, first of all, they had launched many systems in the past. So if I show you, there you go. You can see they have launched many systems. So far 53,000 sales. You see, if any of these systems were supposed to make money, next system will not be required. That's how it, I think. And then I have shown you their backend OTOs already. They don't want your 17. They want rest of this. Okay, so if you buy this, those fools who will buy this will end up paying more and more and more to them. Remember one thing, doesn't shit doesn't make money to you. What makes money is if you sell something and people buy. If you buy something from me, I make money, you make nothing. So tighten your shoelaces, get to work. Okay, whether you use copy paste AI, whether you use something else, you got to go and work and sell something if you're not a trader. Okay, I think trading is the only business in which you could just go win and lose and make money or lose money on autopilot with your skills. But everything else on the internet you have to sell. Okay, so if you go and buy this or some of my programs, you buy, you pay me, I make money. You don't make money until you sell something. You don't make money until you come and make a YouTube video and somebody else will buy something from you, and then only you will make money. Do you get it or not? So if you go and buy this, will you make money? Absolutely not. You may learn something, you may not learn something. I don't give a shit. Okay, these things will come and go and non-stop. These things will not stop. This is their business. They do this to make their money, not yours. Nobody cares if you live or die. Nobody cares if you make money or not. All they want is your 17. All they want is your 397. All they want is your 27, 37, 47, 69. That's what they want. I have done this more than 1600 times in my videos on YouTube. You have seen that in the beginning. I shown you. I have done these reviews in the past as well. Okay, I know this shit. So let's wind this up. Will this program, I don't care what the program is. These programs will come and go each and every time because this is their business. They have to make money by selling these shit to you. Anyways, let's cut the story short. My time is important. If you want to make real money online, then I have explained that already in the 7 minutes of video in the beginning. Go and buy whatever is your interest. If your interest is trading, then join my mentorship program in trading. If your interest is making YouTube videos, then go and join Traffic Jarvis, my YouTube program. If your interest is getting 100 leads per day and sending them email and selling whatever you want, then go and join that 100 leads per day offer. Till then, take care. Thanks. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next videos.